ran straight to your door, leaving all my messy tears right there on your floor. I was talking about him, so confused, so blind, never seeing the heartbreak I was leaving behind. Calling you my Itokani, the best I ever had. I didn't know that the title was making you mad. You wiped my tears on my hands, said it's okay. But Vuni Alongo was begging and wishing I stay. I'm done looking out there and chasing the pain. Why search for the sun when you hold me in the rain? It's so hard for me to admit, but you're the piece of my puzzle that always did fit. Yeah, Itokani Ga, know I want it all. I'm ready to lean